Hey everybody, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I am really excited for this one just because, I don't know, I obviously love doing thrift with me's, but as a viewer watching a thrift with me, sometimes you're kind of like, well, I wish that they would pick that up, or I wish they would try that. And so this is where this whole thing kind of comes into play. I'm going to let you guys control my thrift trip today, and I'm really excited because you never know, like maybe this will open my eyes to pick up new items that I wouldn't typically pick up. I was actually inspired to do this by the Sorry Girls. They did a Instagram controls my DIY, and in that they started at a thrift store, so that kind of just like popped the idea into my head, and I thought, okay, this would be really fun to do, to include you guys in this video. So if you are sad watching this that you didn't get to put your input in on this one, then make sure that you are following me on Instagram, because if you guys like this, I'm gonna do another one for sure. Also, I saw this video last night once I was like inspired to do this. It's by a girl called Thrift Your Heart Out on YouTube. She does a video called Instagram Controls My Trip to the Thrift Store. So you should check out her little video because it's like inspired me as well for some ideas. So thank you so much to her. I will link her video down below because her video is super fun to watch as well. Okay, so before we get started with this, I just want to take a quick second to thank our video sponsor for today, which is Audible. If you guys have not heard of Audible, Audible has a unmatched audiobook library. I do a lot of driving because, as you guys know, I live in the middle of nowhere, so that's when I actually listen to audiobooks. So I have quite a long drive ahead of me, and there are books that I want to read. I just find that I don't have the time, so I kind of utilize the time when I'm going on long drives, which tends to be most of my drives. Right now I am reading the Shania Twain memoir. You guys know that I love Shania Twain, but what's amazing about this one specifically is it is told from her point of view. So it's not just, you know, someone talking about her life, it's actually her writing her life story. And if anything, you know, the top selling female country artist, it's super inspiring to me. It's one of those stories that's just kind of the most motivating thing to keep me going on my journey. If you would like to check out this book or any of their other books, there's a link in the description, audible.com/TashaLeland, or you can text Tasha Leland to 500-500. You will get your first month's trial for free on us, and it really helps to support, you know, what we do here and the channel that I have. So thank you so much for checking it out. I mean, I know we do a lot of road tripping in the summer, so they're good for long drives, but they're also like a great sidekick for if I'm down at the beach. Audible.com/Tasha Leland, or you can text Tasha Leland to 500-500. All right, are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Okay, so what I've gone ahead and done is I put these stories right here on my Instagram. So question number one, where should I go? Value Village or Salvation Army? I also asked, how much am I allowed to spend? Under $50 or over $50? So I got through 4 chapters on the way here. Some crazy stuff, just some crazy stuff. You guys should really, especially if you really like Shania Twain, you should definitely check out that book. But anyways, okay, so the first one, where should I go? A Value Village or Salvation Army? This one was winning, so I kind of knew that. So we are currently at Value Village. You can see it over there. How much am I allowed to spend? I said under 50, over 50, and you guys are feeling quite spendy, I would say. So I'm allowed to spend over 50, which is awesome. So essentially what that means is I have no budget. Okay, so what I did was I sent out a poll and I asked, which would you rather start with, home decor or clothing? And that's where we are gonna start our thrift. So I'm gonna give that a couple minutes to sit. It's a lot of waiting so far. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you guys lots of options. I'm gonna be like, do you like this? Do you not like this? Home decor is a little bit harder, but I'm gonna like show you guys things and see if you like it, and maybe I can do some like, should I get this for the store? I'm a little bit confused, but if you guys pick home decor, I think that's gonna be our best bet. Okay, so home decor won. So let's start looking in the pictures and see what they got. Immediately drawn toward these like really old Coca-Cola I think they're placemats. So I guess you guys are gonna control what I buy mostly. I'm still gonna show you guys like what they have. I really like this. This is a really cute painting. We have some dried flowers. That's kind of cool. And what's this? It's like on wood. Oh, that's pretty cool as well. Let's go over here to the collectibles. I saw these from afar. I think I like that one more. I'm going to make an Insta story asking you guys if you like these. Hopefully, you guys will also tell me what I could use them for. Okay, so let's take a picture. Okay, so I said, do you like these terracotta plates? And you guys are saying yes. I asked what we could use them for. Jewelry or perfumes, wall decor, we have under a plant pot, and we have putting your keys on it. So I think I'm gonna get this one. I think I'm gonna leave this one. I think I like this one much more, so let's get that one. I liked this guy, but I'm not a big fan of the design. I feel like this video is going to be so long. This is cool. Is it tacky or no? Look at these bowls. They're really cool. I will be honest, they're not my cup of tea. This one is a little bit more my cup of tea. It's got like kind of 70s flowers, but can't see them working in my decor. I'm not usually all that crazy about candle holders and things like that, but I really like this one. There's only one. Is that dumb? Is it dumb to buy one candle holder? I'm very rarely drawn towards them, so I'm kind of like, well, I guess we should ask you guys because that's what I want to know. I'm saying, is it dumb to buy this? You guys are saying in the poll that it is not dumb to buy my single little candle holder. So I think I might just get him. Love the colors of this guy. Probably wouldn't actually buy it though. So I just posted a story asking you guys if you see anything in the wood section that you like, and to let me know yes or no, should I shop it? I'm not even gonna look at it. I just posted the story and you guys are gonna let me know if you think that I should shop it or not. So I'm gonna wait a hot second and see what you guys say. This is the results. 58% of you are saying that you don't see anything you like, so I'm not even gonna go and shop it. Sorry to the 42% that said you did. I just think let's go with the mass majority. You said no, so I'm not even gonna go and look over there. I just posted a story that was like, would you guys use this to hold your plant pot? So we'll check in to see how your humor is in a hot minute. I also said true or false. Let's check in on some of our polls. So this one, when in doubt, add more wine. Y'all said true. I say true too. Would you use this to hold your plant pot? Y'all ain't funny. I thought it was funny. Y'all said it's not. Should I look through the bags? Yes, so let's head on over there. Not seeing too much other than tiny picture frames, to be fair. And then there's kind of like more crafty stuff over here. Not seeing very much. A bit of a waste, but I love the enthusiasm, you guys, wanting to at least look. Finding that I find a lot of really cool like handheld mirrors, so I like to look in kind of like where the bathroom stuff is. Like, look at this. This is pretty friggin' amazing. This is like heavy duty. It's not like cheapy. I'm gonna send my sister a picture of this. I feel like she'd lose her mind over this. I really like the painting on this, but I have no use for something like this. But I really like it. I don't like the handles. I'd probably change those handles, but I just thought I'd show it to you guys. For clothing, I would like to create an outfit with you guys. So I've given you the option of dress or skirt. I'm gonna wait until you guys pick one of those, and that will kind of be like the premise of the outfit. All right, so dresses has definitely won. Let's head on over. I just posted a picture of this rack and I asked you guys if you see any good patterns. Should I skip or look? So I'm gonna leave this rack until last, and then if you guys say look, I'll look. If you say no, then I'm gonna skip this rack. gonna show you guys in a minute, but I created a bunch of polls being like, should I try this on or not? Just did one. Should I try on this orange mini, which has like a tie up here and a really cute pattern, or should I try on this orange wide leg jumpsuit? Has like a little stainy thing there, but so I'm gonna put them both in my cart and see which one you guys pick before we get to the change room. So I'm at the rack that I asked you guys if I should look through, and about 62% of you said yes. So we are gonna take a look-see. I didn't see that many good patterns, but it's definitely worth a look. Ooh, look at the back on this. I kind of like this, but it's a bit bland. Like, I don't know, there's just nothing special about it, so I am gonna skip it. Tie-dye? Should we do tie-dye? That's actually kind of cool, not gonna lie. Gonna do a quick look through jackets, because why not? That's really cute, but leather. I know that people say, you know, it's secondhand, you're not contributing to the production of it, but it's more so like I don't feel comfortable wearing animal skin as an accessory when I don't need to. That's just my personal preference, but yeah, there's nothing jacket wise. I just posted a story being like, does this have any potential? I feel like it could be cool, but I also am like, am I just going crazy? Maybe I am. We'll see what you guys say. Vest is one of my favorite sections. I always find the coolest things, but look at all the vests are always so well priced. It's time to go through some of the stuff I asked you guys if I should try on or not. I was pretty open, like I gave you guys a lot of options even if I wouldn't necessarily wear it or try it. This one's for a laugh. Should I try it on? And y'all, you're gonna make me try it on. Okay, I'm adding it to the try on pile. Are you guys ready for this? Are you ready to see this masterpiece that is me in this dress? Here she is. It's not even that bad. It's not even that bad. I like this pink on me though. I really do. Next up we have this dress, which you guys said try it on. It's cute. Don't get me wrong, it's cute, but it's got no shape to it and it has nothing exciting about it. Like I just think that it's not the greatest. It's got this cute slit in the back, which is like super ripped, as you can see. Next up we have this one. This one's really close, but you guys said try on. I actually really like the fit of it on me. It has shoulder pads, which you could obviously take out, but I just thought it might have potential for the store, even for Soleil pieces, but honestly it kind of looks like a karate sort of outfit. So we're gonna leave it. This green one, 71%, you guys really kind of liked that one. You said try on. I like it, but again, it's just shapeless. Like I feel like I really want to own a dress like this, but maybe I just don't have the body for it. Like it's just shapeless. It's also honestly a bit too big. I don't know. It's just, it had like Jurassic Park dreams. The jumpsuit mini dress, you guys said jumpsuit. Y'all, this orange jumpsuit is a bit of a catastrophe. It just hugs me in all the wrong places. I don't even want to show like the midsection because I'm really self-conscious. So just trust that it's not pleasant in this area. And that jacket, you guys said 55% try it on. It's like I actually kind of like it. The only thing is it's too small for me, as you can kind of tell. But I actually kind of like it, and I kind of want like a cool jacket like this. It's pretty cool. You guys had a good call on making me at least try it on, because now maybe I might start looking for a super patched up jacket. Still have this guy to try on, so I'm kind of excited about this, and you guys are the most excited about this dress because like almost 90% of you said to try it on. Oh, you guys slayed this. It is beautiful. It's a bit too big for me. But I'm thinking I could sell this on Soleil pieces. This is amazing. Like I can't just leave this here. It's so stunning. I don't know if I would have actually tried this on, so thank you for making me try it on. So we have these two vests. I don't want to get two vests, but I don't know which one to get. So I said pick a pattern, left or right. I'm gonna wait a couple minutes We're gonna see which one you pick. Okay, so you guys chose this guy, so we are going to get him. I also just posted a poll wondering if I should buy this market bag. I have a market bag in my purse, which looks like this. So this is mine. But this one's really cool because it has like braids here. And so I'm thinking maybe I could sell mine and keep this one. I like this one a little bit more. So I asked on Instagram if I should buy it, and you guys said yes. So we are gonna get him. He is $1.99. So hot. I feel like I was in there for hours. Okay, I don't really want to show you everything I got. You kind of already know based on all of this whole video. I pretty much told you every time I got something. I did want to say hi because I met a girl in there named Amy, and she knew that I made YouTube videos, and I thought that was really cool. So I just want to say, hey Amy, in case you are watching this. I will tell you that I did get this mirror for my sister because she loves stuff like this. I owe you guys a thrift haul because I've thrifted a lot over the last little while, and I definitely have enough for a thrift haul. I have to pop on here real quick and say hi to Chantel as well because she just recognized me at Goodness Me, and that was so cool. I'm glad I put makeup on today because I don't usually meet you guys, so that's amazing. Yay, hi Chantel.